Okay, students, in our previous video, you have learned about the group data, group frequency distribution table. You have learned, and you have learned about histogram. Now, I will take some of the sums from your exercise to make your idea more clear. Listen to me carefully. See, children, question number 3 I have taken where the 25 students data have been taken who has taken time in second to solve one quiz question. So 25 students was sitting, and then it is said it is given to you the data in a not in a arranged way. So I have made that one in an arranged way and made it an arrayed data. See, 17 second taken by only one student. Then this time taken by one student, that is 17 second, and then next 20 students have 20 second time taken by 2 students. Then 24 second one student, 26 second one student, 27 second one student. Likewise, I have made the arrayed data till 63. So highest time taken by the student is 63 second. Now I have tabulated it. It is said in the question that you have to make the group as class interval as 10 to 20 group you have to make. So time taken in second, you have written on the first column, and time 10 to 20 seconds, how many students are there. This is a overlapping method you have used. So upper class limit will not be included in this group. 20 second time taken student will not be included. So 10 to 20 second, how much time is taken? How many students? Leaving 20, it will be 17, only one student. So telemark is 1 and frequency is 1. For 20 to 30, here 20 will be included, but 30 will not be included. So 20 is included, but this will not be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students. So 5 students have taken 20 to 30 seconds. Then 30 to 40, 30 will be included, but 40 will not be. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not included, 4 students. Likewise, I have made 40 to 50, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because 50 will not be included. So 50 to 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students are there, and 60 to 70, 2 students are there. So overlapping method, always the lower class limit will be included, but upper class limit is not included. That will become the lower class limit of the next class. That is why it is included in that way. Now we have to make the histogram. To make the histogram, you need to draw x-axis and y-axis and keep some space below for the x-axis to write down all this information. Here the time taken in second you have written down. You must have to write this. Now y-axis is frequency usually to make the column bar. So number of students in the y-axis. See what scale you will take. See here this one student also you have to take it. So fraction of 1 comes. That you have to be little grateful to take the scale. Could you understand me? So make the group accordingly, taking the range. 63 minus 17 is 46. So 46 can be made in a group 5, 10 or so. But it is said especially 10 group. That is why you have done it. Now what? Y-axis is what you have done. The time taken. See 0 to 10. 10 to 20, 10 to 20 is one group, 20 to 30 another group, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. So 10 to 20, how many? One student. Up to 1 you have taken this line. You just first draw single line up to 1. Now 20 to 30, how many? It will be 5. So till 5 you draw this line. Now 30 to 40, how many? It will be 30 to 40 will be 4 students. So you take up to 4. Up to 4 this line. Okay, now for 40 to 50 will be how many? It will be 8. So take this line up to 8. Could you understand? Now 50 to 60 will be 5 students. You take this line up to 5. Now 60 to 70, how many? There are 2 students. You take this line up to this. Then we add it. I think I have understood. 10 to 20, how many? There are 1. 20 to 30, how many? There are 5. 30 to 40, how many? 30 to 40, how many are there? 30 to 44, up to 4 you take this line. Could you understand? Now 40 to 50, how many? 8 are there. You take this line up to 8. Now 50 to 60, how many are there? 5. You take this line up to 5. Then 60 to 70, how many are there? 2. Now you connect. Now you connect all. And the last one you connect taking the same. It will be easier. Could you understand? This is the histogram. Scale is how much? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 student. Okay, or 1 inch is equal to 1 student. Moving on to question number 5. There you have daily wage of the worker is given to you, and there are some 25 worker. So you have to make a histogram of it. Tabulate this way. Whatever the table is given to you in a question paper, you tabulate this way. So group is given to you, that is 20, class size is 20, 100 to 120. There are 10 students. So tally mark how? You see, block of 5 and 5, 10, easily countable. That is your tally mark. 20 to 45, 40 to 140 to 160. There are 14 students. 5, 5, 10 plus 4, 14. Could you understand? Now this is 9 students, so 5 plus 4, 9. And 180 to 200 rupees earned by the worker. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 4s are 20 workers. Now 200 to 200, 5 workers. Now children, you have done the graph. Y-axis will be the frequency, is number of the worker, and x-axis will show the wage. Now another good aspect. Have you seen the broken line? This is called kink. The word is called kink. K-I-N-K. Kink means, broken line. See, 0 to 100 you are not showing on the x-axis. You are not taking small division of 100 also. Breaking means from here 100 starts. 0 to, till this broken line indicates from here to here is 100. Could you understand? So you are beginning with 100. Because if you start from 100, no, it will be too long. That is why kink is used. Could you understand me? So kink, then starting with 100, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 and 220. That you are marked in the y-axis. Now 100 to 120, how many? 10. You have taken first line up to 10. See, up to 10 you have drawn this line. You understand? Now 120 to 140, how many? 5. Next line you have drawn till 5. Here you have drawn 5. But as it is up to 10, no, later on you will connect this. Could you understand? Now next 122 to 142, 240, next line will be how much? 160, 14. You have gone till 14. See, that is why one small division is also matter. Here the 14 comes. 14 is not, you can't do with 5 also. So one division is equal. After 10, 4 division. So here the scale will be 1 mm is equal to 1 worker. 0 to 5, it is 1 centimeter. There are 10 divisions. 0 to 5, 1 block means there will be 10 divisions. So 1 mm will be 1 worker. So that 5 mm will be 5 workers here. Could you understand me? So what you have understood the concept of kink. Now 160 to 180 will be 9. You have taken this line up to 9. Where 9 is? 160, 140, first is 100 up to 10, then second is 120 up to 5, then 140 up to 14, then 160 up to 9, 14 is up to 9 it will be, okay, I made it to 9. See, first is 10, then is 5, then is 14, 14 is here, then is your 9, 9 comes here only, 9, then comes your 20, then comes the 20, 20 will be here only in this group, okay, 20 is here, we have gone up to 20, then next class will be this is the graph actually. Do you understand me? So this way we will make this histogram. I hope you can make it. Doubt if any, talk to.